in there? Oh, open it up. What'd you get? Is that a book?
Puppy.
Yeah, a puppy.
What is it?
Where's
Puppy. Is that pretty?
Is that the puppy book?
Puppy's a book. A book. Is that piece? What else is
What
there?
about this one? Who's on there?
Jane.
Is that the bunny?
Bunny. Bunny goes say, hey, bunny. Tomorrow skating? What's that?
Advertisement.
Jane, again.
Yeah.
Wasn't there one more? Where's the Goodbye Moon? Oh, this isn't great for video stuff here, too.
What about this one? Good night, Moon. Here, let me help you with this one. Oops, I got a knife.
Let's see that book. Do you have that book, Tegan? That's from Great Grandma Judy. Can you say thank you, Grandma Judy? Woof woofs.
It's Good Night Moon book, and you get a bunny too. Is it a bunny?
Oh.
Boop boop. See the little tail? This book for going to bedtime. See all the pictures?
Oh.
Oh, what's that? Are those kitties? Where's the kitty at?
Jimmy.
And there's the bunny, right?
Yeah, look. Yeah. Do you like it? Say thank you, Grandma Judy.
Okay.
Okay.